I'll be showing you step by step how to install the Tidio live chat app to your Shopify store. To do so, you want to head to the Shopify app store and you want to search for the app name here. So you can do so in the search bar at the top. And I'm going to click on the app here. And this is going to bring me to the installation page. Now you should be signed in into your Shopify store already. And then from there, you want to click install. This is going to bring you to the Shopify installation page. And if you're comfortable with the permissions, we can click install again. Then from there, I need to go and create an account with my email. So I'm going to enter in my email here. Then I'll enter in a password and agree to the permissions. This is going to load the Shopify integration now. Now I can go through the setup wizard at the beginning. So first, let's enter in my name. In terms of the role, I'll put founder, owner. And for this, I'll just say I want email and live chat. And you can just enter in what you think is relevant for you. Just going to skip through some of these questions here as they are very dependent on your store. And let's hit start here. Next, we can go through what we want to set up. Now from here, we can do several different options to start up with. I'm going to go to the build a chatbot button, as I think that's probably relevant to most people here. Then we can go through the remaining settings after. So I'll click build chatbot and then I'll hit let's go. From there, we're going to be brought to the getting started screen. Now I've already set up a few of these here, so you can see them already checked off. But let's go through the important ones that you'll need to do to get this app installed on your store. So the first thing is you want to make sure we've enabled the widget. So go to the show widget to your visitors and you want to click on the go to theme editor. This is going to open up our Shopify theme editor and it's going to check off the Tidio widget off by default. We can see it on the left-hand side here already enabled. You could also get here by just going to your Shopify theme editor, hitting app embeds on the left-hand side, and then searching for the app name here. Now we need to hit save in the top right, and this is going to enable it for our store. So I've just enabled it and I'm going to enable it again here so we can hit save just to see that it works okay. I can preview this by clicking the three dots in the top left and then clicking on view. And I can see the app has now been enabled in our store. I would also recommend you review your welcome message to text the chatbot. If I click test your chatbot, it's going to open up a new window and we can see all the chatbots we have enabled. But in terms of everything else, I've done a complete overview as well on my channel on how the entire app works. So check that out there if you're interested. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. You have all your different calculations from your ad spend to your cost of goods sold to your transaction fees to your Shopify app fees and so on. And this can be a lot of work to put into a spreadsheet. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to see real-time analytics, as well as tons of different metrics and charts so you can make smarter business decisions for your store. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. It's a 15-day free trial, so you can check everything out for yourself. And you can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly, so make sure you check that out there. But this is going to conclude the video here on how to install the Tidio app to your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.